Oh my days, is it coming to me? Is it coming to me? Wait, you guys. Jesus. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I promise you we are not about to have any wild competition. We are not riding on any hills, we are not looking for any treasure, we don't have any like guys, I think we've been going at the crazy videos for a while now, like all the competitive videos. I love shooting them, but some of you reached out to me that's like, you miss out on the vlogs and things, and even though the vlogs don't get as much attraction, I also really like when I'm at home and I want to rewatch my videos. Yes, I'm that vain, guys. I rewatch my videos and I want to rewatch my videos. I always watch the vlogs. Like, I really like the vlogs. So I'm going to take you guys along. I have a pretty packed day. I believe it will be interesting. I even have to go out of Accra for a shoot, which I'll be taking you guys along, with me to just, feel the vibes and all. So let's go. Right now, I'm going to the barber shop to fill in some potholes here, yes. And then I'll be on my way to Goma Wonderland, yes, with my friend Adam, who is a wonderful rapper, guys. He just dropped like a new EP and he just did 3 songs, and guys, it's such a masterpiece. I'll talk more about him later in the vlog and you guys even see him and all. But yeah, let's just go, guys. I'm going to link his album in the description box, by the way, so make sure you watch out for that. Okay, let's go, guys.
Everywhere I pass and pass, I for cross. So stay away and pass, I for force. Then go find a way, then enter by force. So to one and pass and fish out, and pass ya for fish out, and pass ya some fish out, and pass ya for say and pass ya.
It's crazy. So I just left the barber shop and I'm really rushing now because my friend Adam is at the mall. I'm meeting him at West Hills Mall and he's already there waiting for me, guys. So I'm here to pick up my outfits I'll be wearing. I took it to the laundry. My t-shirt and my jeans. I don't even know if I'm still going to wear that. But yeah. Hey. Rihanna. What was her name? Ruana. She kept long like that. Adam. Adam.
Yo.
I'm at the mall. I'm at the ATM. I'm coming. Guys, I just had to lie. And it's the way I lie, so like, oh my god, guys, it's crazy. It's crazy.
I'm coming out. Please. I'm coming out.
Please hurry up, I beg you.
Okay.
Still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand, are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's other men I want, and I just want you.
Okay, guys, so we just got to Goma. I think it's called Goma Wonderland. I slept throughout the ride, guys, because I don't think I've slept enough for like 2 days. So yeah, we just got here and we're about to go check out the place. The place is really beautiful, guys. Nature is like, I don't know what to say, guys. I'm low-key hungry too. But yeah, we are here, guys. I'm going to show you the place and we'll see what we're about to do. Goma Wonderland, that's the name. Let's go, guys.
I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's other men I want, and I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should have mine. I look you right, it's not the best idea. His new girlfriend takes out. I look you right.
Okay, guys, so we are still here and we're shooting a video for Adam. I'll link the video down in the description box so you see it. But guys, I was talking about Adam earlier on. He just dropped this EP, guys. You guys should go and listen to it. I'll link it. Go stream the songs. Such good songs. Like, guys, I'm not happy because he's here. You know I'm scared of no one. So yes, guys, go stream his songs. Better than ever. Yeah, that's the name of the EP. Okay guys, so we're finally done with the, how is the light like this? The light, it's a bit dark. Okay, so we're finally done with the video and we're about to head back to Accra, guys. I don't know what I'm going to do when I get back, but I'm supposed to have, I have a party that I'm supposed to attend, like a graduation party, but I don't know if I want to go for that. You know what, I think we should extend this vlog, guys. So it's going to be a whole weekend vlog. I'm going to do that. So let's go, because I don't think I did enough today. Yeah. I just said whole donkey. A whole ass donkey. No pun intended.
Come here.
I'm sure it was tied to something. I don't think it will ruin us now.
Oh, it can chew your stuff. Oh.
Hey.
Yeah. Donkey and horses, when you see them close to your stuff for fear.
Ah, okay. For phone in my hand.
Oh, what happened?
We are too scared. Whoa, call him. Where are you going to? Where are you going to? Let me take my bag. Latifa, that's your name. Latifa, I'm leaving there. You can continue.
Supposed to be friends.
No, I'm joking. I have enough friends. Thank you for the.
Thank you for the
Yes. Latifa. Hey guys, Latifa is going to drink Smirnoff. Latifa. Guys, Latifa is going to drink Smirnoff. Latifa, take a sip. Take a sip. Guys, she's drinking the Smirnoff. Like she just spilled it over, and she's drinking the Smirnoff. Hey, Latifa, the drunkard. Guys, I don't even know if I have the energy to talk at this point. Long story short, I left my phone in Goma yesterday, guys. I left my phone in Goma yesterday. So guys, like, so, you know what? Let me move the car and then we can have the short story time. Like, and I'll just let you guys know what happened yesterday. So now to what happened yesterday, guys. So you know, we came back from the place around, we were heading back to Accra around maybe, let's say 2:30, 3 p.m. Yeah, thereabouts. So Adam dropped me at West Hills Mall where I'd parked my car. So I transferred everything from my bag into my car and then drove home. Immediately I got home, because I wanted to make like some ginger beer. I wanted to make some ginger beer. So I went to the kitchen to make that. Then as I was doing it, I was like, wait, where is my phone? Mind you, I have two phones. And I couldn't find the second one. And I'm like, where is this phone? Oh my God, guys. That's when like reality really hits me. And the thing is, I've never lost a phone before. The only time I lost a phone is when I was in JHS 1. I was very young then. That's like grade 7. Very, very young then. That's the only time I lost a phone. Since then, I have never lost a phone in my life. And guys, like, I just knew, you know that thing where it just hits you and you're like, no, the phone is missing. So I searched my whole house. I was like, no, what if maybe when I was coming inside, I brought the phone inside, I checked the whole house, I checked the car. I literally ransacked this car, guys. It was just too much for me, coupled with me being so tired and stressed out and literally drained from, you know, what I had been doing before yesterday. And then, you know, the whole travel yesterday and all. Guys, it was crazy. So I called my friends. I called Jacob to help me track the phone. But then, guys, that phone, I don't really use that phone. So it's like my location was off. There was no data. Like, there's never data on that phone. Like, I'm never using my mobile data on that phone. So it's like location was off. It was hard to track the phone. We were finally able to track the phone, but then because my phone was, I don't know, linked to my friend Kukue's phone or something, I don't know, like, guys, it was just a lot. So I just went home. I gave up. I was like, nah, I'm not going to find this phone. Like, this phone is missing. I'm like, nah, this phone is missing. Like, it's done. Then I was like, nah, I should call the people at Goma and ask them. So I called them, and they took the number of that phone to try call it. Like, by the way, guys, those people are like the best people. If you want somewhere to actually chill, I'm giving them free promo because, like, they were really kind. Goma Wonderland, guys. I'm going back there today, so I'll show you another video of the place if you didn't see it well. But like, they were so patient and so caring and mindful, like, and attentive to everything I was saying, guys. Literally, it was late in the evening. At this time, it was probably around 8 or something. They went to the place to go and check and everything. Then, like, after an hour of back and forth, they called me back that they saw the phone at their restaurant. Guys, like, I couldn't believe it because I had given up on the phone at that point. They called me back that they had found the phone at the restaurant, so they'll leave it at the reception, and you know, I can come for it, you know, tomorrow or something. I'm like, yes. I told them I'll be coming for it, guys. I really expected this weekend to be chill. Look at how I started look. Do you remember the intro, guys, where I'm like, today we are not going to do anything, like, it's just going to be, I literally thought this was going to be a calm vlog and a calm weekend. But look at this, look at the craziness. I'm having to travel all the way back to Goma. Anyways, I'm picking David up and we'll be on our way to Goma, and then we'll go about it. We have a lot to do too, because tomorrow David's mom or David's family, they are pulling off a surprise party for their dad, David's dad. So we have to go and get some drinks, take it to the place, and all of those things.
Right now, we Ghana girls in Kalis. Somebody can die in hair pink for your wash.
Pink hair.
As you call me, I thought you said somebody they doing hair pink.
Yeah. Oh, I think girls have been coloring their hair for a long time now.
No, it's not a popular thing in Ghana.
In Ghana, yeah. Pink hair, they're serious. Pink hair,
It's so valid.
Nicki Minaj. Guys, I think this weekend I should have just stayed at home. Like, I should have just glued my whole existence at home. My camera is even a bit blurry. So guys, tell me why I pulled up at the gas station to buy fuel, and the fuel that they are pouring into my car is leaking from the car. Guys. I want to cry, but let me just laugh so that I don't cry, guys. And I have so much to do today. Like, if I don't have anything to do, guys, I have Goma to go to. I'm trying to get a mechanic to fix it for me so that I'll be able to go to where I'm going to. I'll check back in with you guys later. Pray for me. Guys, now it's about to rain and we're here at the mechanic's place.
Moko, go.
We are going. Guys, David doesn't even want me to vlog anymore because of that crazy. Guys, wait, let me wipe my sweat and actually, this is too much. Guys, we finally been able to fix the car, so now we're going to buy the fuel and see if it's actually working, and then we'll go. Hey, Jesus. terrible, no good, very bad, wicked. Jesus.
Hey! Fafo on a tour. I'm not born. No. I have 6 kids to go.
Which sound is that? The time when they kill me fast. Pacho say and go for me.
Still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand, know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's a midnight. One night, I just
Guys, we just got to Goma Wonderland and I'm about to get my phone. Woo, 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 woo. It's like can you be excited for me? Why? Okay. Thank you, bye. Guys, I finally have my phone now. It's here, guys. I have it, guys, and it pays to be nice, guys. Yesterday when I came, I was really friendly with the workers here, and like the girl I just waved and that just left, and the one who found the phone, like I was so nice to them, talking to them like, you know, as if I know them and everything. And I think all these things added up to, you know, them returning the phone to me when they saw it. All I have to say is, guys, if you want a place to come and relax, come to Goma Wonderland. Bye-bye. Come to Goma Wonderland, guys, because they are really the best. They're really the best. It's about to rain. Yeah, it's already raining. David, let's give it the power so you put it in the car. Guys, right now I couldn't vlog because everything was just too much. It started raining and all. We're at the location for the lunch tomorrow. I'm here with David. Guys, it's so beautiful. Who's it? Has he picked up? Patrick. Drinks for tomorrow. Show us the water. Water. What do we have here?
We got leather.
What do we have in it?
Local drinks.
Local drinks.
We got more local drinks.
More local drinks. This one we can't show you guys for our eyes only. This one. What are you drinking?
I mean,
Go and work.
you drink Coke, drink bottles.
You drink how many bottles? So we too for drink. David is having apple juice.
Type shit.
I'm on a no sugar diet, so.
You on a day?
You say? Why your own sugar not there inside? Hey, boss. You sure? Guys, David, my friends David and Jijo just brought me ice cream. Hello, Kitty Mouse and Kitty Mouse. David Redu just brought me. What did you bring me, sir?
Accessories.
Some accessories for tomorrow. He brought me a bracelet. He brought me, where is it?
The chain is on, the necklace is
Show
on
it to
you.
me. Let me see.
You can't sleep and be happy though, but like,
Yeah.
It should be given dark, you know. And he came with Jijo, who is also in the car. I don't think you guys can see her well. Yes. So, hi guys, and thank you for the ice cream and everything. Bye. Semi-final look. Okay, guys. So my Saturday is almost over. It's currently 11:25 p.m. And all I need right now is some good ice cream and a relaxing massage, guys. Because this has been a crazy day. I hope tomorrow will be more calm. You know, I have quite some activities lined up for tomorrow, and the weekend will be over, guys. We are almost done with the work here. As you can see, it already looks beautiful. I can't wait for tomorrow. So yeah, I don't know. We're still here. I'll let you know when we leave here, or maybe not. We'll just meet tomorrow, guys. Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday. Well, I'm not sure you'll be watching this on the Sunday, but guys, it's Sunday. This morning, unfortunately, I'm not going to my church because I have to go and support my friend Joe. He's having, you know, a naming ceremony for his newborn baby. Congratulations, Joe, on your new, fresh, bouncy baby boy. So yeah, I'm going to his church right now to support him. And after that, guys, today I'm trying to keep the energy up so that the tiredness doesn't take over, because I feel like I've been tired. But I think this morning I'm actually refreshed. Like, I'm not as tired as I was yesterday. So actually the energy is brand new, guys. So I'm going to Joe's place right now and then come back home and get ready to go to David's dad's surprise party. Please remind me to wash my car, guys. My car is very dirty, like outside the car. Yeah, guys, so I didn't forget to wash my car, but the washing bay now, I think I'm running a bit late because it's 12:47, almost 1, and the birthday boy arrives at 2 o'clock. Birthday boy, as in David's dad, supposed to arrive at 2, so we are supposed to be at the venue by 2, and I'm now going home to shower again and change. Hopefully I make it, guys. Like, I'm not about to get there after the birthday boy gets there. And David's mom literally looked at my face and told me that, David, as in me, David, you are not the birthday boy. So please try and not get there at 2 or after 2. Guys, I hate the fact that people think I'm a late comer. This is all David's fault. I'm sure he keeps telling his mom that I'm a late person. Like I'm always late. I'm actually not really late all the time. Maybe a few times. Okay guys, so I'm finally here at the Icon in East Legon, and yeah, I'm about to go inside for the birthday lunch. There are so many cars here. I think they have definitely started the program. So yeah, I'm going inside. Hello, Ajwa.
Yes, at this point, the celebrant with the children, the celebrant with the in-law, and the in-laws, the celebrant with the nephews and nieces. It goes on and on and on. We know exactly what we are taking from you.
Guys, what a day it has been, what a weekend it has been. Finally done with the party. It was great, guys. It was such good vibes. Guys, you saw all the videos. It was actually really fun. So right now, I'm done and I'm ready to go home. I just have to pick a dress for my sister from ANC Mall, and then I'm home. Guys, thank you so much for joining me on this crazy vlog and, you know, experiencing a weekend in my life with me. I hope it was fun. If you've reached this point of the vlog, it means you probably liked it. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this, and I'll bring it your way. I'll definitely bring it your way. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you drop a like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely week or weekend. I don't know when I'm going to post this, but have a great life. Bye guys. Bye.